Okay, so we've done some pumps, air compressors, smart pumps in the past. And today we're just looking at the new Lexin one. So you know what? We're not going to take it out and be like, look, it fills the tire, because guess what? Yeah, it fills the tire. Right? It does that, right? So we're going to take a look at the box. We're going to take a look at their website, maybe even their Amazon website. Take a look at what comes in the box, and then just kind of look at some of the features that this smart pump has. And we are going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you stick around to the end, where we tell you how you could enter to win one of three of these. Oh yes. All right, so Lexin Smart Pump P5 with a 5,000 milliamp battery inside, which is really good actually, because we want to make sure that it has the ability to actually, pump your tires up. And we primarily use these on or for motorcycles, which is great because you could probably, most of these style pumps, you could probably pump up one, maybe even two motorcycle tires from empty to full. Now, on a car, I would say you could maybe do one tire, but you could like top up in that multiple tires. So here it is here now, and this is a little bit of a, I'm not 100% sure what's going on here, but you'll see right on the box here. This says 5,000 milliamp hours, and I'm going to confirm with Lexin. For those that are like, well, which is it? Because I'm not 100% sure. But I'll leave a comment down below, which once I find out what the answer is. So $50 US. This is a product we found as riders that is a necessity on road trips, and I will completely agree with you, because I was on a road trip earlier this fall, and I hadn't checked my tires, and of course the weather had been cooling down a lot, and after the first couple hours, I'm like, my tires feel mushy. So we stopped at a restaurant to have something to eat for lunch, and I checked my tires, and each of them was down probably about 10 psi. So being able to actually inflate them right there, right in the parking lot, excellent. Micro USB charging, would love to have seen USB-C charging. And again, I'm hoping that this is the same one that this is, and I don't. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't know if it is actually. I think these are different. I think this is the old one. So I'm going to look here for P5. Now that I'm P5, aha, makes more sense. I don't have the right one. $70. Even better deal for you guys, because I'm gonna give away three of these, right? So here we go, Lexin P5 Advanced Smart Pump. So they do have a cheaper one if you don't want to spend the extra $20, right? The new P5 Advanced Smart Tire Pump System was designed after collecting feedback from our Gen 1 smart pumps. Haha. Motorcycle tire pressure is a key component. Yep. The P5 will keep your tires dialed into any environment. P5 features a 5,000 milliamp battery, so I don't have to talk to anybody now. That's excellent. Internal cooling fan, heat and abrasion protection. Oh, now I wonder now. I'm hoping it says output for mobile devices, so you can charge your phone from this, which is fantastic. Digitally adjusted pressure settings and a USB-A output, right? That's awesome. Now the other hope here is that this is USB-C. That would be fantastic. So, all right, okay. Now, better deal for you, better deal for me. This is it here, the P5. As you can see here, you can see it gives you some information in regards to kind of what it can do, right? So motorcycle, it says 28 to 55 psi, as long as you fall in that. Car, 26 to 51. Bicycle, 20 to 120 psi's, and basketball, 3 to 14. And then it gives you the bar and kPAs as well. So if you guys want to know those, there's some information / specs. There's the side of the box, and that is the back of the box, because for some reason y'all want to see that, right? This also says here, power bank, tire pressure monitoring, digital display, LED light. Super excited. Yep, super excited. And I haven't done a giveaway in a while, so that's also fantastic. So here you go. How to use a smart pump user guide. Love it. Nice and easy. Big fonts, big manual. Everything I need, right? Functions. LED light, USB. Yeah, there we go. USB-C. So that in itself worth the extra price right there. Real-time air pressure, real pressure monitoring, display of user scene, battery indicator, pressure air, like preset air pressure, which is good. Mode settings, LED light. Oh yes, basic operation. I like it. Okay, so this is Lexin, right? Lexin, and then we unfold this. We do get a little bag because you want a little bag to put this in your wherever you're carrying it. For me, I'm gonna carry it in my either my saddlebags or my trunk. There's gonna be your hose, your nozzle, your put this on, right? Yes. There's your USB-A to USB-C charger. And if you're going on a long trip, just make sure you charge this up. Bring this with you. I would just throw this in a bag, but bring it with you so that you have, all your adapters and stuff like that. Plus, you leave with a full charge, which is also important. You get, these are extras for that time that you're out and you're like, I need to charge a football or a basketball or whatever it is, right? And there's another different kind of adapter as well. So again, I would have these just all in the bag. Now the other thing, like for me, I have a organizer pouch in my saddlebags. So I would probably just take these kind of things and stick them in there so that I know exactly where they are. And last but not least, oh, that's nice. That's chunky. I like that. Nice and chunky, right? Lexin. Here's your plus, minus, light, right? Power button. This is going to be, I'm not sure. It looks like a little magnet. I should have kept the manual out. I have the manual right here. Don't you worry. It is the mode. It's funny that it's like a little U, so it says mode. Nope. Air pressure unit. There it is. U for unit. The light button is also the mode button. And then of course, there's your light. This, if we open it, is your charging port and your USB-A port, and this is where you're going to thread this in, right? So you just thread that in there, and then this is going to go on your tire. Good to go. There's going to be where it sucks the air in, but it's nice and chunky, which I like. Now the other thing is, you could use this to charge your phone, right? So if you have a lightning cable, if you have a phone with USB-C, I don't have a lightning cable down here, but whatever, you just plug this in there and charge whatever. I could actually use this to charge like an action cam or whatever. Just throw it in my trunk, put it in there. Now, if you're on a long ride, not something I'd recommend because you'll be charging your action camera or you charge 2 or 3 of them, your cell phone, whatever, and then all of a sudden you blow a tire and you realize that you don't have any power left in this. So for me, I'd bring another battery. But let's say you did get into a scenario where your bike was down, right? For whatever reason, something busted, you're out wherever, and you're running low on cell power, then this is going to be not cell power, battery power. So this is going to be really important because you could charge your phone up. So it's just kind of double, right? Double goodness. All right, so we turn this on. I guess you hold this to the little dotted lights light up. There it goes, on. Boom. There's your battery indicator. There's going to be, your PSI that you can set, right? You can go into your mode buttons here, which changes from like PSI to bar to KPI to, and you can have presets here. I don't know if you can see it there, but you'll have like a car and then like a bicycle and then a motorcycle, and then so you can actually have preset ones. So if you're taking this with you in the car and the bike and the bicycle, you could set what you have, right? So you don't have to kind of remember, oh, my car is X and my bike is 38 PSI and this is this. I sometimes, what I'll do on some of the previous ones I had is, because my front tire and my back tire are different PSIs, the motorcycle one a lot of times I'll set for my rear tire and the bicycle one I'll set for the front tire. Just in case, right? And then of course you have, do you want PSI or KP, whatever it is, right? Or bar, whatever. Very cool. And then if you hold this, I think, yeah, you got a light, that's all right. It's not crazy bright, but if you're out in the middle of nowhere working, especially if you're someone just as simple as being like, I need to figure out where the nozzle is, the valve is for this to plug in because it's dark. You got a little light, right? You stick that up. That's nice, right? Hold that down. Boom. Off it goes. Cool. And then you have, you have the U, right, which is your mode. So this is going to go through your this one goes through your bar, PSI, all of that stuff. This one, of course, goes through your presets, right, and all the ones that you've set. And then, of course, this one here is going to go through and allow you to change the setting. So the bottom number is what you want it to be. The top number is what it currently is. So if you plug this into your bike, your car, your basketball, whatever, this will come up and tell you what the setting is or reading is. And then when you're done and this is all connected, you hit this button here. There it goes, right? These are cool. I think everybody that has a motorcycle for sure should have one of these, because you know what, we need to check our tires all the time, because it plays such a big role in how our vehicles handle, right? If it's too high, if it's too low, if it's cold out, if it's warm out, right? It all changes, and we want to make sure that you and I are as safe as possible when we're riding. So having a pump that has the ability to make sure and monitor everything, really good. Okay, so this all here going in here. Super cool. Just turn that off. Boom, off. We're giving away 3 of them. 3 of them. So there are some stipulations. We are going to be doing the draw, and we are not going to make it public. We're not going to give the names out because of privacy. But you do need to like and comment on this video, because we will be choosing from someone who has commented on this video in regards to this. You do have to live in North America. So in the, I want to say the continental North America, so US and Canada. So because of that, we are not Lexin. Lexin provided us with the pumps, which is cool. Thanks, Lexin. But myself, will be paying for shipping. So sadly, anything too far away costs way too much money to ship. But I will take a little bit of a hit to ship 3 of these out to you guys that commented, like, and subscribe to our videos. So yeah, make sure you watch for that on I guess the 31st. Yeah, 31st. I'll send out emails to people for contact information for the 3 people that won. And that's it. If you ride, I think this is great. Even if you have a car, it's great. If you have a bicycle, it's great, right? If you have a football, basketball, I don't care, whatever, doesn't matter. Yeah, so comment below, and if you comment more than once, don't just comment, paste and comment, because if I see that, you get voided. But if you're in a comment thread or something like that, where you're actually, hey, that may help. I'm just saying, it may help. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you there. I will point you over to Lexin's website for those of you that are interested in this. And just realize, like I was unaware, they do have 2 smart pumps. This is the better of the 2, or the bigger, or the more expensive of the 2. And that's it. I'll also leave links down to Amazon's website where you can look at some of their gear, especially one of these, if I can find it, over on Amazon. And good luck to those of you that leave comments. And that's all, my friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys next video. Later.